Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to unbox the new Avatar of Kane for Eldari in Warhammer 40,000. Holy kermoles, we have waited for an update to this model. It feels like forever. It feels like forever. Possibly it has been forever. Who knows? But he is finally here. As of recording of this video, he will be going, or the release of this video, he is going to be going up for pre-order. And man, I cannot wait to get into this model. I have many ideas on what I would like to achieve with this model, but you know, who knows? I mean, my God, look at all the options. He's got 3 different heads, 3 different weapons. We've seen plenty of previews and pictures and things of that nature. So, and I'm sure today, as the release of this video, there are plenty of pictures of people working on their avatars. Avatars? Anyway, enough gum flapping. Let's dive in. Let's use my trusty, rusty, dull knife here. Just get into this son of a gun. Here we go. Here we go. Oh man. This is the kit that I have been most looking forward to. This kit has just been, like, as soon as they said that this kit was coming out, man, I was like, holy moly. Very, very excited. Very excited. My hands are shaking right now. That's how excited I am. I'm just, oh man, I can't even get into this box properly. All right. Let's have a look. Oh, he's got the little box tray thingy going on. So he's got the little tray. He's got his instruction booklet. The instruction booklet is thinner than the other thing, the other box sets. Oh, look at that. Got all his options. His instructions are pretty straightforward. You've got many different options for him. Wow. And of course, a lot of people have been asking whether or not this guy can be magnetized. That is yet to be determined. Just by looking at it and the instructions, I think he might be able to, actually. I mean, I'll know better once I start playing with this, but yeah. Oh, see, he's got different necks. Oh, pretty clever. So anyway, let's continue on. He is 1 sprue. He is 1 sprue, but look at the size. Okay, he comes on, I don't even know what size base this is. It's probably like a 60, I think. Oh man, look at him. He's 1 sprue with all of this stuff on it. Look at the size of that spear. Oh my gosh. The sword. The avatar. Oh, look at his chest thingy, his separate piece. Oh, that's interesting. That is very, very interesting. I have no words really. It's a model kit that I've been waiting for. I'm super excited it's finally here. It's finally for release. Whether or not we can magnetize all his options is unclear at the moment. As I dive into this, who knows? I even may make a tutorial if it is possible to magnetize it. If it's not, if it's too much work, I'm probably not going to do it because, well, you know, it's a lot of work. And I usually don't fret. Also want to get this finished up because I would like to see how he compares up to the Forge World version of the Avatar as far as size comparison is concerned. But judging by his spear, he's bigger. And his hand, he looks a lot bigger. But either way, we'll find out soon enough. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below if this is a kit that you've been looking forward to, or if you just could not care less about silly Eldari models. Like, who cares? Belly button. He's got a belly button. Very, very cool. I'm so excited. A huge thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. It'll take you off to a magical website called Patreon, where there are varying tiers of support. And a huge, huge thank you to everybody who does for their continued support, and everybody who's brand new. Huge, huge thank you. Take care of those brushes, and they'll take care of you.